Hey everyone, so have you ever wondered how insurance companies are detecting fraud or track how fast claims are happening or claims are being settled down? So in today videos, I will show you that how to create the insurance claim analytics dashboard in Power BI. And for that, what I have done here is that I have created the data set. I have prepared the data set, and which are having four tables: fact claims table, dimension customer, dimension policy, and dimension date. So fact claims, it is having, like you could see this claim ID, customer ID, policy, claim date, claim amount, claim status, like approved, pending, reject, settlement days, how many days it is taking to be settled, is frauds expected, or reason wise. Okay, in customer table also I have selected gender, reasons. Okay, and policy is also there, tenures, and dimension date is also there. So I'm going to use this in data set for building the dashboard in Power BI for insurance claim analytics dashboard. So let's import the data first. To import the data, we have to follow this standard process. Now we have to select the tables, all the tables we have to select and click on load. Once we click on load, now you could see this all tables are loaded here, imported, all tables are imported here. Okay, so what is our second step? Transform data. We have to check the data types, and the if any blank rows are there, so we have to make it clean. Okay, so here you could see the customer ID, customer name, age, gender, and reason. Those are reflecting in a correct format. Dimension date, so this is the date format, but it is date. This is the date one, right? But it is reflecting whole number, so we have to change the data type as date. Okay, replace current. Very good. Now year is okay, month name, and quarter is okay. Now dimension policy, so policy ID, policy type, coverage amount, premium amount, tenures, those are reflecting in a correct format. Fact tables, fact claims, so in fact claims we have the claim ID. Okay, we have the claim ID, customer ID, policy ID, claim date. So date is reflecting whole numbers, so we have to change it to date format. Done, and rest of the data are okay. Now what we have to do, we have to click on close and apply. So we are done with that second steps. Third step, that modeling part. Okay, so we have to create the relationship here. So first let's check this out. Okay, now so in fact claims we have the customer ID. You could see this customer ID, so it should be connected to dimension customer ID. So if I open it, see, by default it is connection is already made by Power BI. Then we have policy ID, right? See, this policy ID is connected to policy ID. Okay, now we have fact claims, claim date. This is the claim date, and it should be connected to this date, okay, which is not there. So what we will do, we will use like that to make the connection, claim date to dimension date. Okay, claim date to dimension date, many to one and single, and click on save. So we are done with making a relationship between tables. Okay, now we have to come here, report view, and let's start building the reports. Okay, let's write the DAX queries as well for 2 or 3 DAX queries which will be required at the time of building the dashboard. So like total claims, total claim amount. Okay, so what we will do, we will click on enter data, and we'll put the table name as calculation DAX data table, and here DAX table. Okay, you can mention as DAX table. Okay, DAX table. Now separate table will be created here, which is visible here. Now right click and then new measure, and here we have to write the total claims. So this would be count rows. So this would be fact table, fact claims. Okay, fact claims. Now close this. Done. We are done with total claims. Now we have to write another one, new measure, total claim amount. claim amount. So this would be sum. Okay, whenever we have to find out the total, then we have to use the sum method. Then fact claims and claim amount. This one is the claim amount. Close it. So this would be total caps. Now we have to find out average settlement days. Okay, so again, new measure, average settle. So we have to use average method here, and we have fact claims, and this is our settlement days. Close parenthesis. So we are done with average settlement days. We have to analyze the fraud. So let's create a fraud analysis. Okay, fraud percentage. So what is the fraud percentage? That also we want to calculate fraud percentage. So how to do this? Open parenthesis, calculate. We have count rows, fact claims, close parenthesis, comma, fact claims fraud. This equal to yes, close parenthesis, count rows, fact claims, done. Okay, so we are done with writing the DAX queries. Let's delete. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to change the Canva background color. So I'm going to select the Canva background color. So as per the requirement, you can select it. Okay, as per the requirement, 0 4D 61. This would be my Canva background code. Okay, let's make it, so let's make it 20. Now here we are going to write title first. So text box, and let's put the title here. So title would be insurance claim analytics dashboard. Would be insurance analytics dashboard. Okay, now header would be normal, font would be this. Let's make it 20. If I make 20, no, 15 is okay, 15. Then bold, text color. We'll do the formatting here, like put it middle, and shadow color, we have selected shadow color, and offset also outside. So outside shadow is reflect. So we are done with title part, insurance claims analytics dashboard. Okay, now let's move ahead and let's add the KPI cards. Okay, new cards. So this would be, we will be using this one. This time we are going to change the format, little bit format. Okay, so total claims, then we have total this values, fraud, average settlement. Okay, so we have to, okay, so let's do the formatting. Format painter, paste it here. Okay, now we have to work upon more formatting here. So we have changed the formatting for this call out values. Then I have selected font is so backender one, which we selected for this, and the visual border is on, shadow is on. we are done with formatting the card visual. It is the standard one which we always follow, like you have to select this card visual, then go to call out values, and just select font, size and colors, and horizontal alignments, middles, and then labeling part, and then what you have to do, up the line chart. Okay, line chart. Okay, let's put it here. So we have selected month name and then the claims amount. Okay, so this data is displaying month wise, like you could see this here, month is reflecting, and some of the claims amount are reflecting. Okay, so we can do the formatting here now. So let's use this format printer and put it here, and now we have to do more formatting here. So let's do the more formatting. So formatting would be x-axis values, it would be this by default, 12, bold, color should be white. Now it is reflecting here, right? Title, okay, so this is our standard one, 12. Okay, and we have to take bold, white. So month name is reflecting here. Okay, then we have y-axis values, click on values, then we have to take, this is our standard one, this should be 12, bold, color should be white. Okay, now we have to go for title. So format should be this, 12, bold, white, done. Now coming to grid lines. Okay, so grid line is reflecting here. We can take other colors as well here, this. Okay, it is dotted, we can use solid. Okay, zoom slicers, smooth type, color is okay, right? It is reflecting. Okay, data labels, make it on, data labels, then we have values. Okay, bold, white, so data is reflecting here, right? You can change the title, click on general and title. So some of the claims amount month wise, so we can say that monthly. Now we can use copy and paste this visual, and we can show claims amount by quarterly view as well. Okay, so we have to remove the month name from here, and we have to put the quarter. So just bring it to x-axis. Okay, now this data is reflecting as claims amount by quarterly view. Just change the title. Okay, quarterly. Okay, so this data is reflecting month by monthly, claims amount by monthly, claims amount by quarterly view. So everything is just set here, nothing needs to be changed. Okay, now moving ahead, and we can use other visuals. Just copy and paste the same visual. Okay, and put it here. Convert into donut chart, and I want to show the data like will select the data here as the gender. Okay, based on gender I want to show the data claim amount. So based on gender, like some of the claim amount by gender, so male and female is there. Now formatting, use this, put this here, and do the formatting little bit, top center. Okay, and then we have to use the text would be this 12, and then bold and white. Okay, it is reflecting here. Now title is gender title, some of the claims amount by gender, it is reflecting. Some of the claims amount directly. Let's write claims amount by gender wise. Okay, now so everything is set here, nothing needs to be changed. Stacked bar chart. Okay, stacked bar chart, and this is added here, and here I want to add we want to show the claim status. Okay, claim status. Here's the data, because claim status is pending, approved, rejected, right? And I want to show the claims amount. Okay, so this data I have selected, so you could see this approved, pending, and rejected. So let's do the formatting. Use this format painter and put this here. So let's change the title here. So title should be claims amount by claim status. Okay, so by status. Okay, let it be claim status. Done. So we are showing the data. This is also reflecting correctly. Okay, now we can change the color in a visual here if you want to change. So bars color is this, so we can select other color as well. Okay, now let's add another visual. I would use table visual, so copy and paste, and now let's convert this in visual into table visual. Okay, so this is the table visual, and we have to use the data here like claim ID, customer name. We should be using customer ID, not ID, name, right? And we should use claim amount. Then we have policy type, right? We have policy type, fraud. So we have fraud. And we should be using settlement days. Okay, so this is our table. This is our table. So we have to change the name here. We have to change the title. So title would be detection. Okay, detection, fraud detection. So title name is fraud detection. Okay, the formatting a little bit here, so we can do the formatting as if I click values. So this should be our format 12, bold, text is okay, background color should be I can choose other colors as well and put the text color as white. Okay, alternate text color white and background color black. Okay, now moving ahead, column header should be this 12. Okay, let's make it 9, and bold text is this. Okay, background color black, text color should be white. So this should be at least 12. Okay, let's make 11. Now we have totals, so total is reflecting here, you could see this. So we can say okay, format is okay, this text color should be white. Okay, and then we have creating the table visual. Now we can show the spark line also here. So we have some of the days amount, so we can add spark line. So let's right click, condition formatting, add spark line, x-axis, some of the settlement days. We are selecting settlement days. So okay, some x-axis we should be using like customer status entire. So it is reflecting here. Now we can do the spark line, it is reflecting some of the settlement days. So we can line, it is reflecting line, so we can say column, and data colors we can select this, and what we can do here is that this is all about. Okay, so you can scroll down and you can see it. Okay, likewise. So we are done with creating the visual. Now one thing is left to be created here is the slicers. Okay, so I'm going to minimize this. Okay, slicer would be so let's add the slicer, and I would add this slicer gender wise claim status for detection. Okay, so we can use the data here, slicer. So in slicer we should be using first gender. Okay, and we can do the formatting here. Let's select this format painter, put this here. Okay, gender, and what we have to do, we have to change the format. So slicer vertical, so it's drop down. Okay, so let's off the title. Okay, so here it is reflecting male and female. Need a little bit more space, so I'm going to minimize this. Let's bring it down. Okay, so if I say gender, okay, so now it is reflecting here. Okay, so now let's do the formatting. So formatting would be slicer setting, so it is drop down. Okay, so selection, select all should be there. Okay, then we are done with this slicer header. So text is gender. Okay, and format should be this. Okay, this is 9, it should be 9. Okay, bold, white, so it is reflecting. Border is okay, background is okay. Values, now go for values. So this is this, and it is 12, so make it 11. Bold, then font white. If I select white, it is not coming. Okay, so let's select other color. This, it is reflecting, right? Now border is okay, background is okay. Now let's copy and paste. Okay, we want to show the data here as status, claim status. Okay, so claim status. So first we have to remove the gender and go for claim status. So here data would be approved pending reject. Okay, now we have to show the data like okay, let's copy and paste again and put this here and we should be using like monthly and quarterly. So I'll remove this, and we have the dimension date table month wise. Okay, then we should be using quarterly wise. So let's make it short little bit. So we are done. So we are done with developing the visualization. Now let's change the data. Okay, let's see that the data is getting changed or not. Okay, so if I select female, data is getting changed. Male, data is getting changed everywhere. Select all. Okay, male, so data is getting changed. If I select only approved, see this, only approved data is showing, and approved by monthly data is showing, claim amount is showing, and quarterly data is also showing. And here also if I select pending, data is changed. Rejection, month, so month in April. If I select only this, if I select multiple months, okay, see, quarter 1 2, so it is reflecting, so it is quarter. So we can change the title here. So we can mention as quarterly. Okay, we can say monthly. All the data one more time. Done. So if I say this to remove, select all to, so quarterly wise data is reflecting, right? Select all, then we have monthly. So if I select only December, so see this, for December data is reflecting, all data is being changed, right? Claim status rejected, so all data is being changed. So this is working. So this is how you can make the insurance claim analytics dashboard, and you can develop the visuals, and you can add more visuals here also. If you change the view page, this is the page view is fit to page, you can make it actual size. So if you make it actual size, you can add more visuals on this. Okay, and also if I want to add other data, okay, like we can add other as well, okay, by creating the next page. So that's all about it, and and I would request you, please like and subscribe the channel, so that you would be getting the notification for upcoming sessions, dashboard sessions. Okay, and thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.